Imagine this: a pan of oil left unattended on the stove, a stray spark from the fireplace, or a faulty electrical outlet. These everyday scenarios can quickly escalate into dangerous situations, threatening the safety of our homes and loved ones. While smoke detectors alert us to danger, fire extinguishers empower us to take immediate action and potentially avert disaster. Fire extinguishers are essential safety devices that every homeowner should possess and understand. Having a fire extinguisher readily available and knowing how to use it can prevent a small fire from escalating into a life-threatening situation. Let's delve into the world of fire extinguishers, exploring their importance, different types, and proper usage. The importance of fire safety in the home cannot be overstated. According to the National Fire Protection Association, a home fire is reported every 86 seconds in the United States. These incidents result in thousands of deaths and injuries each year, along with billions of dollars in property damage. Cooking-related mishaps consistently rank as the leading cause of home fires, followed by heating equipment malfunctions and electrical issues. These statistics underscore the vulnerability of our homes to fire outbreaks. While smoke detectors provide early warnings, fire extinguishers empower us to take immediate action, potentially extinguishing small fires before they escalate. Investing in fire extinguishers and equipping ourselves with the knowledge to use them effectively is a responsibility we owe to ourselves and our families. Not all fires are created equal. Different types of fires require specific extinguishing agents to effectively suppress them. Fire extinguishers are classified based on the types of fires they can safely and effectively extinguish. The most common classes found in homes are A, B, and C, with Class D reserved for specialized industrial settings. Class A fires involve ordinary combustibles like wood, paper, cloth, and trash. Class B fires involve flammable liquids such as gasoline, oil, paint, and solvents. Class C fires involve energized electrical equipment like appliances, wiring, and electronics. Using the wrong type of extinguisher can not only be ineffective, but also potentially dangerous, spreading the fire or creating a hazardous chemical reaction. Class A fire extinguishers are the most versatile and commonly found type in homes. They are designed to combat fires fueled by ordinary combustible materials, the everyday items we encounter in our living spaces. These materials include wood, paper, cloth, trash, and plastics. The extinguishing agent typically found in Class A extinguishers is water. However, it's important to note that water-based extinguishers should never be used on electrical fires or flammable liquid fires. Consider placing them near potential fire hazards such as fireplaces, living rooms with upholstered furniture, bedrooms with bedding and curtains, and kitchens. Placing Class A extinguishers strategically throughout your home can significantly reduce response time and increase the chances of extinguishing a fire quickly and safely. Class B fires involve flammable liquids and gases. These substances, such as gasoline, oil, paint, propane, and methane, pose unique challenges in fire suppression due to their volatile nature. Using the wrong type of extinguisher on a flammable liquid fire can have disastrous consequences, potentially spreading the flames rapidly. Class B fire extinguishers are specifically designed to tackle these dangerous fires. They typically contain a dry chemical agent such as carbon dioxide or foam that effectively suffocates the fire by cutting off its oxygen supply. In a home setting, Class B extinguishers are crucial in areas where flammable liquids are present or used. Consider placing them in garages where gasoline and other automotive fluids are stored, kitchens where cooking oils are used, and workshops where paints, solvents, or other flammable materials are present. Having a Class B extinguisher readily available in these areas can provide the critical first line of defense in preventing a small mishap from turning into a major disaster. Class C fires require special attention due to the presence of live electricity. Using a water-based extinguisher on an electrical fire can be extremely dangerous, as water conducts electricity and can electrocute the user. Class C fire extinguishers, designed specifically for electrical fires, utilize non-conductive extinguishing agents to safely combat the flames. These agents, typically carbon dioxide or a dry chemical powder, work by displacing oxygen and interrupting the chemical reaction of the fire. In a home setting, Class C extinguishers are essential in areas with a high concentration of electrical equipment and wiring. Placing Class C extinguishers near potential electrical hazards ensures that you have the appropriate tool to extinguish a fire safely without risking electrocution. Remember, never use water on an electrical fire. Class D fires involve combustible metals, such as magnesium, titanium, and sodium. These metals burn at extremely high temperatures and react violently with water, making them particularly challenging to extinguish. Class D fire extinguishers are specifically designed for these types of fires, utilizing extinguishing agents that can safely smother the flames and prevent reignition. Due to their specialized nature, Class D extinguishers are not typically found in residential settings. However, if you work with combustible metals in a home workshop or garage, it's crucial to have a Class D extinguisher readily available. Always opt for a Class D extinguisher specifically designed for this purpose. Selecting the right fire extinguisher for your home involves considering several factors to ensure you have the appropriate protection for potential fire hazards. Here's a breakdown of key aspects to keep in mind. Risk assessment. Identify potential fire hazards in your home. Consider areas with cooking appliances, heating sources, electrical equipment, flammable liquids, and workshops. Fire class coverage. Ensure the extinguisher you choose covers the appropriate fire classes for the hazards present. Multi-purpose extinguishers rated for Class A, B, and C fires are versatile options for most homes. Extinguisher rating. Pay attention to the numerical rating on the extinguisher, which indicates its extinguishing power. Higher numbers denote greater firefighting capability, size, and weight. Choose an extinguisher that is easy to handle and maneuver. Smaller extinguishers are suitable for lighter hazards, while larger ones offer greater capacity for more significant fires. By carefully considering these factors, you can select the right fire extinguisher to provide peace of mind and essential protection for your home and loved ones. Owning a fire extinguisher is only the first step in fire safety. To ensure your extinguisher is ready to perform when needed, regular maintenance is essential. Here are key steps to keep your fire extinguisher in top condition. Visual inspection. Monthly, inspect the extinguisher for visible damage, such as dents, rust, or corrosion. Check the pressure gauge to ensure it's within the green zone, indicating adequate pressure. Cleaning. Wipe down the extinguisher with a damp cloth to remove dust and debris. Shake it up. Every few months, gently shake the extinguisher to prevent the extinguishing agent from settling and becoming compacted. Professional inspection. While regular visual checks are beneficial, it's recommended to have your fire extinguisher professionally inspected annually. By following these maintenance practices, you can ensure your fire extinguisher remains in optimal condition, ready to provide reliable protection when it matters most. Knowing how to use a fire extinguisher correctly is just as crucial as having one. In a fire emergency, every second counts, and following the proper steps can be the difference between containing a small fire and facing a rapidly spreading inferno. Remember the acronym PASS, which stands for Pull, Aim, Squeeze, and Sweep, to guide your actions. Pull the pin located at the top of the extinguisher, breaking the tamper seal. Aim the nozzle of the extinguisher at the base of the fire, not at the flames themselves. Squeeze the lever slowly and evenly to discharge the extinguishing agent. Sweep the nozzle from side to side, covering the base of the fire until it's completely extinguished. However, it's vital to prioritize safety and only attempt to extinguish a fire if the fire is small and contained. You have the appropriate type of extinguisher for the fire class. You have a clear exit path and are not trapped. The fire alarm has been activated and someone is calling 911. If any of these conditions are not met, evacuate immediately and leave firefighting to the professionals. Fire safety is not a one-time task, but an ongoing commitment to protecting our homes and loved ones. By understanding the importance of fire extinguishers, knowing the different types and their uses, and practicing proper maintenance and usage, we empower ourselves to respond effectively in emergencies. Investing in the right extinguishers, placing them strategically throughout your home, and educating yourself and your family on their proper use can make all the difference in safeguarding your most precious asset, your home and the lives within it. Prioritizing fire safety is an investment in peace of mind, knowing that you've taken proactive steps to protect your loved ones and create a secure living environment. By integrating fire safety practices into our daily lives, we create a culture of awareness and preparedness, ensuring that our homes remain havens of safety and security.